Alright, in the previous videos, we've been assigning values directly from the code. Now, sometimes we need to get the values from the user. Okay, so we can use the word input, this keyword, which tells the computer that we will collect data from the keyboard. Okay, we'll be asking the user to enter values, for the code. Okay, so we need a container for that. So, or the out, whatever input values that the user entered, we need a container for that. Enter a number. No? So we use the input function, and then we need to specify a text for that. And if we do that, as you can see, it will prompt the user for a number. Let's say 3, and then press enter, and then that's it. No, that's it. So let's look at the. If you look at the variable inspector, our variable x has a data type string. Okay, so whatever value entered by the user, it's accepted as a string. But we said here, enter number. Okay, therefore we need to add a function that will convert the value entered by the user to a number. Let's say float. Okay, so if I run this again, and then enter 3, and now it has a data type of float. Okay, and its value is 3.0. Okay, so that's great. If you want, you can also display it on screen. Okay, and let's say 5. It's there. Now the only problem for this one is that, of course, what if the user entered a text, a string, right? So type hello, then you'll get an error because you use a float function. So normally, what you can do is just assign it to a certain variable first, inp data, input it, and then we can use the try and accept function to determine if it's a floating number or not. All right, so let's try that one first. Okay, try x is equal to float of inp data. Okay, and then accept. Okay, x will just be an x, so we can use the pass command here so that it will not do anything. Okay, and then let's print x. All right, and then let's try a number. Okay, we don't have a problem with that one. Let's try another thing. Let's say hello. Okay, then the output is still a 3.0. Okay, so maybe we need to add here, forgot, just enter inp data, so that when it enters the text, it will output hello itself. Okay, so we can do that. Okay, it's like an if statement. You can also use an if statement. Check the data type. Okay, but I think this would be the best method, okay, to catch any possible errors during the conversion.